In this video, we're going to learn how to adjust the spacing between words in Microsoft Word. Hello, my name is Mark, and you're watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in a quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. Using multiple fonts or font sizes in your document can lead to an inconsistent spacing between words. To make your document look more professional, you can adjust the spacing. Follow these steps to do this without affecting the space between letters. First, highlight the text you want to change. Press the Ctrl and A keys to highlight the entire document. Then, navigate to the Home tab. In the Editing group, select the Replace option. In the Find and Replace dialog box, click in the Find What text field and press your spacebar to create a space. Then click in the Replace With field and press your spacebar to create a space. Click More to expand the window. Select Format and choose Font. Under Size, choose the font size you used most consistently throughout the document, then select OK. Once you're done, select Replace All. In a new dialog box, Word will report the number of replacements. Select Yes to apply changes to the entire document, or select No to change only the highlighted text. The spacing between words should now be consistent. You can now close the Find and Replace window. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.